My name is Shafiq Sadiq. I am a personal injury attorney in Stockton, California. I've been practicing law since 2004, going on my 17th year. My client, he was on a motorcycle driving to his work where he was the sole breadwinner for his two children when a vehicle that was driven by an employee of Central California Traction Company turned left in front of him and his face hit the A-pillar right next to the windshield. He suffered multiple fractures to his face as well as a severe traumatic brain injury. He had to undergo an 8-hour surgery to place multiple plates inside of his face. I contacted DK Global, who was able to look at the medical records, look at the imaging, and make accurate animations for trial. We came to expert depositions, and I took the deposition of the defense expert. And when it appeared that he was going to be favorable, I slowed him down and asked him to explain in more detail. He stopped me and said, "I saw an animation in the file. That's the best animation that I've ever seen in 30 years. Ultimately, the defense admitted liability and fought tooth and nail to keep the animation out because they knew how damaging it was. When we played the accident reconstruction animation, immediately after opening statement, we heard an audible gasp from the jurors at the moment of impact. I don't think that can be underappreciated. So the outcome of the case was a jury verdict just under $24 million. We were able to add about $5 million in post-trial interest and expenses, and the case ultimately settled for $29 million. The more I started incorporating visuals into my presentation, the better results I've been getting. This was the first time I had used DK Global, and I have to say they were first class. Some of the complicated medical terminology that we had to explain, I would have been surprised if anybody would be able to know that and come up with the animation. But the team that we had at DK Global were able to do it, were able to make it accurate, and with very little changes that were needed. I recommend DK Global to anybody.